Hello, hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. Today, I'd like us to start off with the US dollar Japanese yen. We have it here. So, if you remember what I said yesterday on this chart, we were actually looking for sell positions. We said that since the price went upwards some days ago, we were expecting some pullback, but overall, the overall direction is still bullish. So therefore the sell which we are seeing now is just a pullback, but we don't expect it to go below a given level. So today I want us to build from where we left yesterday. I want us to see exactly what we expect to be happening the course of today and possibly during the coming day. So the first thing I see on this chart, I see a very good resistance level here. This one is a very good resistance level. We have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, and we expect that as long as the price does not break and close below these two lines, this should be an ideal place to look for a buy position from. Expect the buyers to push price upwards at least up to this level here. So if you're on this chart right now, you should consider putting a buy limit here within these two lines. Have your stop loss below the low of this zigzag touch anchor point, have your stop loss below it, and have a take profit here. So that's the only thing I'd like to say on this chart. But if the price should descend below these two lines and end up closing below it, then expect a sell with your target, which will be somewhere here. That's the first target. The next one should be this one. So that's my opinion on that instrument. The next chart which I'd like us to have a look at is Euro USD. With this, looks like the price is now in an uptrend. I'm going to explain why. So you saw here, since the price was somewhere here, it kept giving us lower highs. We had a higher low, a higher high, a lower high, a lower high. Then the price somehow broke above this line, which was forming this lower highs. So technically, as the price is now, this is now a very good uptrend. We are now looking for buy positions. We do expect a pullback at least up to this level here. Expect the buyers to push price upwards. So you'll pick a buy position. Sorry, the same thing which happened on GBP/USD, we expect it to be the same thing which is happening on Euro USD. This has now turned into an uptrend because we had numerous lower highs like this. We had, even if you put it there, you can see that the price still crossed above all of them. So we had that, and then we had that, and then we had that. These are like three zones which were broken clearly. You can see that after the first breakout, there's the next breakout, and then you have the one at the top. So technically, we are waiting for price to continue upwards up to this point. Our next target is this one here. So if you're on this chart as we are talking now, you should be waiting for a pullback at least up to somewhere around this point. Expect a pullback up to that point so that you can pick a buy position back to the line we have at the top. So this right here will be an ideal place to look for a buy from. This line here will be the best place you want to look for a buy from up to this target. If this target is broken, the next target is the line we have at the top, which is this one here. So that is GBP/USD. I'd like us to look at gold. With gold so far, it also looks like the price is in some downtrend. We've not seen any break of that downtrend. So this is the zone we are looking at. We are looking at this one, like we are looking at this. like that. We're also looking at this zone. Then we are looking at another one. So far the price has successfully gone beyond the first line. It is still stuck on the middle one. If the price goes beyond and end up closing above these three lines, then we want to see some retracement so that we can pick a buy position. We are expecting the buyers to push us upwards up to this level there. On the lower side, we have a good support here. So with this support, if the price descends below these two lines, we want to see some pullback before the price can extend to the lower side. So just a break below, a retracement, and then a continuation to the lower side. My next instrument is Brent oil. Sorry, okay, we have it here. So with this, these are the zones we want to look at. We have a very good channel formation. It looks like it's a channel formation. I still not confirmed if it's a channel formation. Let's see. So we have that. And then we have that. So basically, as this looks like a very good shape. You can see that the price keeps using it as resistance, as support. So technically, if the price goes up and touches the line we have at the top, then that should give us a good place to look for a sell from. Expect the sellers to push price back downwards, at least up to this trend line here. So you're on this chart as you're speaking now. Look for sell positions back to this point here, and you should sell it from this point here. So that is that. The next chart is the SP500. With the SP500, this is a buy. We are now in a buyer's territory. If you check this properly, you draw a line like that, and then you draw it like this. You can see that the price has gone beyond all the two trend lines. So we are now possibly looking for buy positions, especially after a pullback towards this point. If the price can pull back and touch this line, and we'd like to look for a buy position at least up to this resistance level here. So technically we are going to look for buy positions if the price